Welcome to JSS Matriculation School, Talawadi, Social Block. Today, I go to explain Geography Unit Lesson number 1, Lithosphere 1, the Endogenetic process. The Earth is an unique planet of the solar family. The Earth is composed of 4 spheres, namely the lithosphere, the atmosphere, the hydrosphere, and the biosphere. This lesson focuses on the internal process of the Earth. The sequence of lesson generally follows the sphere of the Earth system in a comprehensive manner. Sphere of the Earth. Earth's surface is a vast area of 510 million square kilometers, where 4 spheres of the Earth interact. The abiotic sphere are the lithosphere, atmosphere, and hydrosphere. The biotic sphere is the biosphere. Together, the sphere consists the planet Earth. The lithosphere is a solid outer part of the Earth surface. The atmosphere is a thin layer of gases that surrounds the Earth. The hydrosphere is the watery part of the Earth's surface, including oceans, rivers, lakes, and water vapor. What are the shown in the pictures? Look like that. The biosphere is the layer of the Earth where life exists. Do you know? The terms lithosphere and the crust are not the same. The lithosphere includes the crust and the uppermost part of the mantle. All the terrestrial planets have lithosphere. The lithosphere of Mercury, Venus, and Mars are much thicker and more rigid than the Earth. Structure of the Earth. The outer surface and inner core of the Earth are totally different in their nature and structure. Structure of the Earth. Interior is divided into 3 layers, namely the crust, the mantle, and the core. What are we are learning in 8th standard? Look like the same answers. First, we are going to learn about the crust. Crust is the outer layer of the Earth where we live. It is the skin of our Earth which ranges between 5 to 30 kilometers. It is the solid and rugged layers of the Earth. The thickness of the crust is greater below the continent than the ocean floor. The crust is classified as Continental Crust and Oceanic Crust. The major elements of crust seal are silica and aluminium and sema, silica and magnesium. It will be sema will be represented to the oceanic crust, seal will be represented to the continental crust. Next, the subbedding mantle. The interior part beneath the crust is called mantle, which is about 2,900 kilometer thick. What are the shown in the picture? Look like that. The major elements of the mantle are silica and magnesium, and hence it is also termed as sema. In the upper part of the mantle, the rock remains solid, whereas in the lower part of the mantle, rocks are in molten form. These molten rocks inside the earth is called magma. The next third point, core of the structure of the earth. The core is the innermost and hottest layer of the earth which lies below the mantle. In the picture, what is that? Inner core. It is composed mainly of nickel and iron. Hence, it is called knife. The core is divided into two, solid inner core and liquid inner outer core. The presence of large quantities of iron in the core is responsible for the earth gravitational forces. As the earth rotates on its axis, the liquid outer core spins over the solid inner core and creates the earth magnetic fields. This is responsible for the functioning of the magnetic compass. Due to the high pressure, the material in the inner core are unable to move and hence remain solid.